welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's video, as I'm sure you can tell from the title and the thumbnail, is going to be an apartment slash flat tour. So in England we kind of call them flats, but in America I know they're apartments, so it's whatever you want to call it. So as you can see, I'm in my kitchen again, which most of you will have already seen, but I'm going to be taking you around the whole place where I live. And I will just say, not super duper rich, don't live in a massive LA apartment, don't have massive rooms, but you guys have been requesting for absolutely ages to see a tour of the flat and see what's where. So as most of you know, I do live with my boyfriend Nicholas, who's currently holding the camera for me. Hello. We've been living together for just under a year, so we've been here for just under a year, which you would assume means it's all perfectly decorated and clean, and it's just not. It's messy most of the time. We gave it a good clean this morning and it's not exactly how I want it. I'm not the best interior designer and it's not super tumblery, but I'm happy, and you're happy too, aren't you, Nicholas?
Oh yeah.
So, without further ado, let's show you around. This is the kitchen area. Dun, 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 dun. So we have the toaster, and then we have Mrs. Potts and Chip, which are both from Primark. I got sent Mrs. Potts and then Mum got me Chip, which was in a vlog, I think. I still have tinsel on here, haven't bothered taking that down because it just reminds me of Christmas and I thought leave it up there for a little bit. So up here we have a few little pieces of decoration. These are sugar and tea jars that don't have anything in. We have a little cup, and then we have this clock that doesn't actually have a battery in, doesn't work, but it looks really cute, so that's up there. We have our sink area. I don't know what I'm supposed to say. There's a sink.
Yeah.
Ta-da! And then over here we have the coffee machine. This is actually Nick's coffee machine. It's amazing. I only like one type of coffee though. I have one type. It's from Taylor's. Is it cacao or cocoa? One or the other. And it's blooming delicious. Look at this coffee cup. It's the cutest little coffee glass. I put this on my Instagram and my Snapchat. I put it on my Snapchat and actually a lot of you started tweeting me asking where this was from. It was from Amazon and it's really cute. Dun dun dun! Oven, microwave, ta-da! And then down here we've got lots of cups that I don't use, but I seem to collect cups. I saw this, I thought it was cute, I bought it. It's for pouring milk. We don't use it, so it just goes there. Welcome to the part of the kitchen you never really see. Ta-da! This is the fridge. Got the cooker there. Come look in my fridge. It's not very exciting at the moment. We've got some coleslaw, got some salad, not really much to say. There's a fridge, and we've got a cupboard here. Ta-da! This cupboard is just full of junk. We don't even talk about what's in that cupboard. And then we have the bookcase full of not books. We've got a little box of tools down here, which I tried to make look pretty by putting it in a cute box, but it's just tools. There's screwdrivers, sellotape, scissors, bits and bobs. All of my lovely books here, they're all very girly. You can tell that I choose my books by their covers because they're quite literally all kind of pastel colours, which is my favourite. Another little box, nothing in it. This is my YouTube play button, which actually I've changed the background to just because the grey didn't really suit me, so I've changed it. My little Instax camera. I have yet to take a photo using this. I don't even actually know how it works, but I wanted to start taking more Polaroids, so got my Instax camera, this little angel that Mummy gave me. Candle holder that I got from my best friend Sydney, and it says it's good to be home. And then up here, I've got my piggy bank, and this is a random little bauble with lights in it that I got down for Christmas, put up here, and left up there. So that's that. Okay, so bookcase. Kitchen. Ta-da! So this leads to the hallway. I will show you that later. I wasn't going to. Nick said I should, but it is an absolute tip. So I'll show you that in a little bit, but we'll now go on to the living room area. So first of all, this tree. I get a lot of comments asking where this is from. The tree was from IKEA, but the flowers are stuck in there with sellotape. They are also from IKEA, but I kind of stuck them in and stuck them around because I didn't like the tree by itself. And then, if I plug this in, pretty fairy lights! And then over here, of course, the couch, which is from DFS. It's a grey couch. I don't know how much more I can say about it. It's a couch. And then above the couch, we finally have photo frames. We lived here for, what, 8 months before I finally got these on the wall, and we're still missing one. I still want one here, but I also get questions on these. So, some of them I painted myself, Some of them, like this one and this one, are just wallpaper. And then this one here was like tissue paper, shiny tissue paper, and I basically stuck it in a frame. This one I actually bought from Etsy, and then painted, and a little Winnie the Pooh from Etsy too. So those are the photo frames. Cushion wise, they are mainly from Amazon. This one is actually from Coconut Lane. I think they're mainly Amazon. I get a lot of questions about Whaley. Whaley was from Sainsbury's for Valentine's Day, maybe 3 or 4 years ago, maybe. So I've looked online, I can't find another one. So this is my Whaley, and I'm sorry, but I don't know where you can get one, but it's Whaley. And then we have this rug. This rug was actually my parents' rug. We were looking for a rug for absolute ages to fit this area, and we couldn't find one big enough and cheap enough to fit this area. And then I told Mum, and I was on the phone to Mum saying, Mum, we can't find a piece of carpet. And she said, I've got one, what dimensions do you need? And she had the exact perfect dimensions of rug. So this is from my parents. We then have this coffee table, which looks lovely, looks very fancy, but wibbles. It was very, very cheap, but it looks fancy, so we put up with it. We have 2 coasters on the coffee table, one with an N for Nick, one with a J for Jasmine. Candles, IKEA plant I have had for ages, and somehow that plant is still living. I don't know how, but it's living. So we have that, and then underneath the coffee table, we have a marble planner that I don't use, but it looks cute. And then we have this book, which I got from TK Maxx, and it's called Draw Yourself Happy. And when people come over, I try and get them to draw in their little book and then write, like, sign when they drew and date it and stuff. So that's my little guest drawing book. This is also the little area of the sofa where if I'm filming an Instagram live, I will film it. So if you don't already follow me on Instagram, then make sure you go ahead and do that. The sofa faces the beautiful TV, which currently has sports on. In order to get Nick to help me film, this is what we have to watch. So lovely little bit of Sky Sports football, my favourite. This is actually Nick's TV. This is basically Nick's whole station. His guitar, his TV, his stand, his PlayStation. This is Nick's area. I just like to watch Friends over here sometimes. Mess. Okay, so my poll. I get so many questions about this all the time in my comment section, on Twitter. People ask about my poll because it has been in videos in the past, it's been on my vlog channel a little bit, I posted a photo on Instagram before. So my poll, I have a poll in the living room. I do pole fitness. If you haven't heard of it, it's a sport, you can do it in competitions. It's nothing to do with stripping, not that I have any issues with that, but it's basically all about strength, flexibility, toning. It's really, really good for you, and it is just a form of fitness. So yes, I do pole dancing. Yes, I have a pole. No, I'm not a stripper. So I can do this and this, and then I'll show you going upside down. You need your legs for grip strength. I don't have grip in my legs. I've got jeans on, but I'm going to try my best to show you a little move upside down. So this is technically called the butterfly, I believe, but normally it would be a little prettier, and I'm not a pro, but that is my pole. So yeah, you ready?
I'm ready.
So we're in the kitchen living room right now. We're gonna go into the hallway. You're gonna see a lot of mess. I don't want to take you out here. Okay, come into the humble hallway. Oh no! So this is the reality of where we live. This is where you come in the front door. We have a storage room, a bathroom, the second bedroom, the kitchen where you've just come from, and the bedroom straight ahead. And I had a massive cleanup over the last week, and this is what has resulted from it. So I've got boxes that need to go to the charity shop, boxes that need to go to the clothes bank, things that need to go in the loft, things everywhere. So we won't go any further down the hallway. You're just gonna spin around now and we'll look into our main bedroom. So hallway, we're gonna close the door to that and we won't ever speak of that hallway ever again. And then we have our master bedroom. In here we have our ensuite, which I will show you in a second, but we have our bed here. I'm really, really sorry about the lighting. We live in the UK. We don't have the best lighting. It's not sunny all the time. And also the rooms don't have the biggest windows. So I'm sorry about the lighting, but this is our master bedroom. We have our king size bed in the middle, and then over here we have my vanity. I'm very, very proud of this because I wired up the lights myself. So, wait. Boom! I then have this little, what's it called? An acrylic drawer set. This is from Amazon with all of my stuff, my brushes. I've got my little princess perfume on the side. The actual table is also from IKEA. And then in here, junk. I've got a lot of mess in here, but I know where everything is, so it's organised chaos. It is organised chaos. So that is my vanity. I don't know what else I can really say about that. And then into the bathroom, or shower room, or into this room. What do you call it?
Ensuite.
Into the ensuite. I don't know how, what to say. We have a sink.
Say it's your bog standard.
It's a very average shower room. We have a sink. We've got toothbrushes. This is Nick's new toothbrush. I need to get an Oral-B. Not sponsored, by the way. Need to get an Oral-B because of the rounded brush head. It gets in all the gaps and stuff. A nice cabinet. Got a nice little toilet down here. I put this little fake plant here to look cute and make it look like there's some colour in the room. Okay, then we have our shower. I opened this yesterday at full speed and caught my thumb in it and cried because it was very painful. I was gonna climb in, it's actually wet in there so I won't. It's an average shower, there's stuff in there, there's shampoo and conditioner. So in the second bedroom, we obviously have my filming background. A lot of you will recognise this from videos. This is where I sit perched here, and I have this in my background. Normally this screen is turned on, but this is basically my little background area. I would say I sit here to edit, but I don't. I lay on my bed and edit, or lay on the sofa. But it's nice to say, look, I've got a desk to edit in. So this is my desk, again, IKEA of course. And then my screen is a Samsung screen. I got it because it's white and blue, and I can just plug my Mac in. And then the plants I think are pretty much all IKEA. Pretty much everything is IKEA. Even these drawers are from IKEA, and in the top drawer of this one, I have all of your letters and everything you ever send me, and I have more in here I think as well. I've got so many letters from you guys, it makes me so happy. But yeah, so even the drawers are from IKEA, and then the lights, the fairy lights, I get a lot of questions about these. They're from Amazon, they're called curtain fairy lights, and I've basically hung them around the top and then used command clips to just do this kind of motion with them. That's basically this area where I film, and then in this little chest of drawers here I've got kind of pants, socks, pyjamas, all of that exciting stuff. And then behind you I've got my wardrobe. Welcome to my new wardrobe. I'm very happy with it. We have yet to get doors for it, but I now have so much space for my clothes. So I have a whole rail here of t-shirts and shirts and a couple of jumpers. They shouldn't actually be in there because this is my jumper area. Then I have my shoes, dresses and going out things, and play suits. All of my play suits are down there. Okay, so basically this wardrobe is very changeable, so you can choose what you want where. So I've chosen all of this. I also want another two of these. I want another two of these put in here, and then I want more drawers over here. But until that's done, this is just my mess storage. I have my jeans, my shorts, my handbags, shoes, scarves, hats, and then my jewellery. Dun 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 dun! Jewellery, necklaces, rings, majority from Primark, so don't bother stealing it. Over here we have a mess. So this is my old wardrobe, which I'm getting rid of, and the chest of drawers is going down here, so everything in this room is kind of out of the way. But at the moment my lighting is down here, and then I've got some Primark bags for a potential haul that I might film, and boxes of rubbish. Then I have this chest of drawers. This chest of drawers is full, absolutely, you can barely even open the drawers, they're so heavy. Full of DIY stuff, craft supplies, clay, glue, paint, things like that. All in here, full of this stuff. It's an absolute mess, and I try not to look in there. But that's what that is. And then over here we have this cabinet, which I also would like to get rid of, and hopefully move the stuff somewhere else. But it's basically got in there shampoos, conditioners, hair styling things, all the extra stuff that isn't with my vanity, so it's kind of extra storage for makeup supplies that I don't necessarily use, and cosmetics and things like that. So that, I believe, is this bedroom all done. Final room is our bathroom slash kind of guest toilet. So this is, if we have any guests over, they'll use this one rather than our ensuite, and if we have anyone stay over, they'll use this shower rather than our ensuite, which is of course a bath. Ta-da! It's a bath. Why is it wet in here? Okay, that was very unexpected. We haven't used this for a while. I don't know why there's a puddle in there, but apparently apparently there's a puddle of water in our bath, so that's great. This is our bathroom. There is a shower up here, and I've basically put a few different shampoos and conditioners and bath things down there for anyone who comes around, or if I do decide to have a bath. And then this little rail here is for our extra towels. We've got extra hand towels here. We've got extra bath towels here. Lana stayed over recently and I was really excited to say, help yourself to a bath towel, because we've got lovely blue and white bath towels, so she helped herself to one. A little plant up here. This is from IKEA, and I'm going to get out of here now. Oh wait! We've got a little ducky in the bath. I'm going to get out of here because I've got a wet foot, which is just blooming great. I'm going to take my sock off. Gross. Then we have a fabulous toilet. I'll let you in onto a little tiny secret. We need to go for a number 2. This is the toilet we use. We have this cabinet. This is actually our medicine cabinet, so we've got everything we could possibly need if we get ill, night nurse. We've also got toothpaste in there, hand wash, which is actually running low. Should sort that out. Some candles. I don't know why they're there. Little hand towel, and I believe that is everything in this bathroom. Okay, so that is it for our apartment tour. I really do hope you enjoyed. If there is anything else you want to know, if you want to know where anything is from, or you have any questions, then be sure to let me know in the comment section and I will try to reply to them. Give it a big thumbs up if you did enjoy. Click the subscribe button if you are brand new and you've made it all the way to the end of this video, and I will see you very, very soon. Bye!